A new day is now upon us, cruisers, as we welcome you back and thank you for joining our popular Cruise Hive news updates. We proceed today with a further 4 news stories as former Royal Caribbean cruise ship is beached. We have Carnival ship departure changes, as well as further cleaning for Princess Cruises ship, and Carnival has no plans to replace open deck activity. So join us as we delve fully into all these updates, brought to you directly from cruisehive.com. Sky Princess, home ported in Fort Lauderdale, faced a gastrointestinal illness outbreak during its January the 26th Western Caribbean sailing. The ship visited Princess Cays, Ocho Rios, Grand Cayman and Cozumel before returning to Fort Lauderdale on February the 2nd. A deep cleaning occurred in Ocho Rios on January the 29th and another took place in Fort Lauderdale during the turnaround. Guests were required to vacate the ship from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. No CDC reports has been filed, suggesting cases may not have met reporting thresholds. Carnival Celebration will now depart Miami 30 minutes earlier for over 100 upcoming sailings beginning March the 2nd. The new departure time is 3:30 p.m. instead of 4 p.m. Guests must be on board by the final boarding time on their pass. All scheduled cruises through to March 21st, 2027 have been updated. The ship sails Eastern and Western Caribbean routes, visiting Grand Turk, Nassau, Cozumel and more. Other Carnival ships include Mardi Gras and Carnival Horizon have also had similar changes. The shift improves efficiency and allows vacations to start sooner. The former Royal Caribbean cruise ship Song of America has reached the end of its journey at the Alang shipbreaking yard in India. Built in 1982 at the Wärtsilä Hietalahti shipyard in Finland, the vessel was a part of Royal Caribbean's fleet for decades before being renamed Bella Fortuna in 2024. On January the 22nd, the ship departed from Port Ras Al Khaimah in United Arab Emirates and arrived at Alang on February the 1st at 3:30 p.m. It was beached using the high tide, stabilising by early February the 2nd. The dismantling process involves recycling materials like steel and electronics while ensuring safe removal of hazardous elements. After years at sea, Bella Fortuna now faces its final breakdown and recycling. Carnival Cruise Line has confirmed it will not convert its miniature golf courses into adults-only spaces after a guest complaint. The incident occurred on Carnival ship where a child accidentally hit a guest with a golf ball. The guest suggested replacing mini-golf areas with lounges for passengers 55 and older. Brand Ambassador John Heald responded, stating that mini-golf remains popular with all ages and will not be removed. Carnival ships already offer adult-only Serenity areas, casinos and select entertainment venues for those seeking quieter spaces. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.